gonna check out these cute little goats. Look at these goats. What are you guys doing? Huh? What are my little goats doing? You gonna talk to me? Huh? There you go. Yeah. There you go. What you doing, Penelope? Hi, Penelope. Billy, what you doing? Finny? Oh, look at you guys. Yeah. Hi. Do it again. Talk to me. Hi. Wanna talk? Billy's coming over. Oh, Molly. Molly. What do you guys think? It's getting dark out. The little goats are so cute. Definitely one of the funner adventures. I mean, other than dogs are. All the animals really are pretty fun, but having the goats is pretty cute. Especially since they're starting to kind of warm up to us a little bit more. Yeah. So Finn and Penelope will be a year old here pretty soon. Billy is about, I'm not exactly sure how old Billy is. As you can tell, you can hear the ducks in the background. It's always noisy here. Always got some animal squawking, calling, neighing, barking, all that fun stuff. As you can tell, if you can't tell by my voice, I've been a little sick. I've got this cough that I can't seem to get rid of. But this is, here's the, let me see if I can, it won't let me. This is still what we've got going on with what I'm gonna do for the run for the chickens, and the ducks have now got out to chase the dogs. Oh, there they go. You just see a little blurry blurry little ducks in the background. Now they're back in there. Let's see them. Oh, it's having a hard time focusing. But so our video this week will be pretty short. As you can tell, I haven't done anything with their little run that I'm going to try to put on here. Still just what I had from before, because I haven't been feeling super awesome. But I just wanted to say, oh, this is terrible. Smelly.
I got a chicken coop.
Go for it.
Not a bug.
As you can see, I haven't done a whole lot this past week. The start of the chicken run has not gone anywhere. I've been feeling super great. We thought we would use this video to help share some of the tools that we've used to help us. So the first thing that I have is this joy of keeping chickens. I think you can see that with the little bright light off of it. There we go. This has been pretty handy. We've had chickens in the past, but I don't know. There's something about having something in your hands that you can hold and like flip through. It's got cute pictures in it. It goes over like bulbs and what you need to chicken breeding chart key. It's just useful information for keeping chickens. We've kind of gone with this Joy of brand. Along with that, we've got the Joy of keeping goats. It's pretty helpful. Gives you some pretty good information. I think the thing that I liked about this book, or it might have been the other one, was it gives you kind of a breakdown of their anatomy, which is very helpful, especially for an animal that you've not been around before. So we have the Joy of keeping chickens, the Joy of keeping goats. Use those a lot. We also got this How to Raise Goats, Everything You Need to Know, just in case, you didn't have enough from the Joy of keeping goats. This goes over a lot of... Oh, okay, so this is the one that had the anatomy in it. Gives you kind of a breakdown. It talks about debudding, preparing for having a goat. This one's pretty good. I like this one. I really like the pictures that they have in there for showing like the goats. And then along with that, we also got this backyard homesteading animals. This one's pretty neat. It's got everything from chickens to rabbits, goats, bees, dairy, turkeys. It's just all kinds of very handy stuff. This is the most recent book that I've got, and it's just packed full of good information. This Joy of Keeping Chickens book has recipes in it for eggs, which is kind of awesome because like noodles and breads, sweets, all kinds of things that you can make with eggs. So that's helpful because if you're gonna have chickens, you're gonna have a lot of eggs, and if you're gonna keep them for your family, this is great. And then we also, I need to get into this a little bit more. I picked up the Backyard Homestead Seasonal Planner. So this kind of gives you a breakdown, like early fall, what you need to do, spring, winter, different things that you should be doing. A lot of this has things in it like the bees. We don't have bees, so that's not helpful at this point, but for somebody who has bees and you're gonna be doing stuff with your garden and trying to grow food for your animals, it goes over a lot of really great stuff, and that's why I picked it up, because I thought this was very handy to have, and it gives you a breakdown by what time of year it is. Like you've got midwinter is what it starts off with, and then you've got early spring, late winter, well, I mean midwinter, late winter, early spring, mid-spring. So it breaks everything down, and my goal is to get my calendar matched up with this so that we're taking care of the things that we need to be taken care of. And I really would like to be able to provide more food for our animals without having to buy, if I can, like in the winter. Of course, during the spring, summer, early fall times, they can get out and graze. And right now we even still have quite a bit of grass and stuff out there, but yeah, so there are links in the description for these books if you'd like to look at those. Okay, well, my video recording stopped, so here's the picture of the books that I was showing you. I will have links in the description for these books. We want to try to do that when we can to give you access to what's helping us. But that's pretty much it for this week's video. Sorry, this is a short one. It's kind of a crappy one. Just wasn't feeling great this week, but we appreciate you stopping by and hanging out with us. Like always, if you have any questions for us, please put those in the comments. Let us know what you're doing, if you're doing anything fun with your animals or if you plan to get animals. We want to know what's going on with you guys. But thank you for stopping by, and we hope you have a great week, and we'll see you next week. Bye.